Hi again, everyone. Welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing and review. And today we'll take a closer look at this wonderful car from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. So this is the first car out of that series, and this one came from the L case. So this is from the Hot Wheels Exotic. And this is the orange Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. So let's crack this one open. And here's the car. Rather awesome looking car. Now I really like how Lamborghinis look. For me, they're on the same level in terms of the look department as the Ferraris, and a little bit higher than the McLarens. So this car has front tempos. The rear has no tempos, but still pretty cool. Only the side part of the spoiler has the Lamborghini logo. So both sides have the Lamborghini logo. So at the side of the door, it also has the Lamborghini logo and the number 6. So the headlight, I really don't like this type of headlight though. A lot of mainline Hot Wheel cars have this type of headlights, the black and the white combination. Also some Matchbox have that kind of headlight, but for me, I'm not really that fond of the type of design. So it has a cool hood with a big intake here. It has the 5-spoke rims, which is pretty cool looking. So the base is plastic with not much details on it. It has a side mirror, although the detail and the molding is not that done well, but still a really cool car. I like this car. And I also have the green variant of this one, which I will be doing a review also, so kindly watch that video also. And if you enjoyed watching this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you again for watching. Don't forget to click the notification icon also, and keep on collecting, guys, and enjoy your toys. And that's it. Bye.